Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tutoring appointment. The first thing you need to do is go to academicsuccess.umbc.edu. Then, on the homepage, click on the tutoring link. On this page, you can find links to all the different tutoring services that we offer. Drop-in tutoring is offered for many different courses and is located in the library. We also have multiple learning centers that are specific to certain majors. The Academic Success Center also offers tutoring for many courses by appointment, and appointments can be scheduled once or weekly. And finally, the Writing Center offers assistance with written assignments for any class. You can click on the links to find more information on the tutoring services, including the specific courses for which tutoring is available. At the top of the tutoring page, you'll see a yellow box. Click on Schedule a Tutoring Appointment. You'll then be asked to log into your MyUMBC account. This will take you to the page that lets you schedule your tutoring appointment. Here you can select which tutoring center you'd like to schedule an appointment with. Content tutoring helps you with the content of your course, either by drop-in or appointment. You can also make an academic skills meeting, which is a one-to-one meeting with a peer to discuss time management, motivation, study skills, and other campus resources. I'm going to be scheduling a Writing Center appointment, so I'll click on the Writing Center box. You can select whether you want to see the first available appointment or choose a specific date. Then select which course you would like help with. Click Search, choose a date, and now you can choose your appointment slot. As you can see, there are some online, asynchronous, and in-person appointments, so you can choose whichever one fits your needs. I'll choose this one. This screen prompts you to select the meeting type, so online, asynchronous, or in some cases in-person. Then enter in what you'd like to work on and your pronouns. Once you've entered all the information, select the yellow Confirm button, and your appointment will be made. An email will be sent to your UMBC email account confirming your appointment. It should look like this. On the scheduling homepage, you will also see a yellow box that lists your appointments in the calendar section in the upper right-hand corner of the page. For online appointments, this Join button will appear on the schedule page 10 minutes before your scheduled time. Click this and it will take you to your online meeting room. To edit your appointment, you can click on the Edit button. Here, if you go to the Document tab, you can upload documents that are relevant to your coursework. To cancel your appointment, click on the X. Then, input your reason for canceling. Click on the yellow Cancel Appointment button. And once you refresh the page, you should be able to see that your appointment is canceled. Please note that cancellations must be made at least 3 hours before your scheduled appointment time. The Academic Success Center is a free resource for all UMBC students to use, so make sure you're using it to your advantage. If you have any further questions, please email tutoring@umbc.edu. Happy learning!